What better way to celebrate a holiday than with some delicious farm-to-table catfish? Howard's serving it up sandwich style today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
We're a nation that loves our food holidays, like we need an excuse to eat mac and cheese or a glazed donut. So with August being Sandwich Month, as well as National Catfish Month and Peach Month, I'm whipping up a dish that would make any food lover proud. We start by seasoning some U.S. farm-raised catfish with salt, pepper, cayenne, and a bit of onion powder. And for those of you who may not be familiar with domestically farmed catfish, it's raised in freshwater ponds by farmers who really take pride in all they do. Then these beauties are pan-seared for a few minutes on each side. You know, the nice thing about catfish is that it's firm enough to saute, yet it's delicate enough that it melts in our mouth. While they saute, we mix together some mayo with peach preserves. And since it's Sandwich Month, we top a hoagie roll with some sliced tomato, shredded lettuce, place on our freshly cooked fillets, and dollop on our Peachy good sauce. Now we top that with some crumbled bacon. If only everything in life was so simple and so tasty. To get the recipe for what we call our Peachy good catfish sandwich, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, saluting a month filled with not one or two, but three of my all-time favorites. Now that's a reason to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. All you need to do is go to our website. That's KOAMnewsnow.com.